I think it's safe to say that I'm officially back. Like Martin, I'm a king. I just don't sleep enough to dream. Oh yeah, bad boy is a team. Let me talk to him. Piss me off, I kill this world in one eye. Give your girl back shots, leave her smelling like gunpowder. She sip that lean, get high as the Eiffel Tower. Then salute my dick, call it General Eisenhower. Man, AK's all in that pussy, Glocks inside that Punani. Leave the window open and the fucking door crack, nigga, come and find me. Climbing in it like I'm finding diamonds in it. Diving in it like I'm Dennis Rodman in it. Flew that pussy to me, now my private, flying private in it. Shot it in her eye, Ori Robert in it. Fuck your story, I will end it if I'm offended. You gon' make me take your spot, make me take your block, then knock it off. Then take your block, then block it off, then tape the block. Cops get called if haters plot to block it all. If I'm involved, I'm riding off like I just threw a Molotov. Smiling, drive a mile and toss, sliding off through the jacks, cruising, flexing that new thing that cost me a little pocket money like losing bets at a pool game. Cool chains, not 2 chains, just 2 chains at one time. I do things like take loose chains and cop 2 chains at one time. I lose chains, take loose chains and cop 2 chains for every lost chain. No plat, good smile, floss game. Fuck around and piss me off, I kill this world in one eye. Give your girl back shots, leave her smelling like gunpowder. She sip that lean, get high as the Eiffel Tower. Then salute my dick, call it General Eisenhower. Man, AK's all in that pussy, Glocks inside that Punani. Leave the window open and the fucking door crack, nigga, come and find me. Somebody told me and nobody told them something about me, but nobody know nothing about me. That's something about me you should know. To use a flow such as mine, use a pro. Losers know, but I don't know you losers though. Battle me, you lose your dough. You will have to use tubes through your nose and count the views from your YouTube to blow. Blow a dick and pick a flower, nigga, I provide the rest. Suicidal pilot swag, yeah, I think I'm fly to death. Silence best describe what I do to all these rap niggas. If you whack niggas piss me off, I kill this world in one eye. Give your girl back shots, leave her smelling like gunpowder. She sip that lean, get high as the Eiffel Tower. Then salute my dick, call it General Eisenhower. Man, AK's all in that pussy, Glocks inside that Punani. Leave the window open and the fucking door crack, nigga, come and find me. Piss me off, I kill this world in one eye. Give your girl back shots and shoot her back to you in the eye. To move forward with the bullshit, gotta take a ride in the hearse. Cause setting clocks back the only way that I was reversed. When I say I was reversed, you thinking I was in time, I'm thinking I was as everything that's ours is fine. Man, them hours is flying, man, I was just flying. Damn, you soft as collagen, all you cowards is dying. Man, acknowledge this, hoes giving me knowledge is fine. I'm talking knowledge like they really got college in mind. I drop knowledge like my mind got a college in mind. And I'ma school you, I already got a college in mind. Nigga, polish your grind, when you grind, polish, you shine. This is large quantities of high quality grind. It's all policy. These niggas be robbing me blind. They love to copy me like they ain't see them piracy signs. Man, you gotta rewind. I'm on my bullshit. Debo, welcome niggas back to my old shit. 0.2.